these Dianthus. It's pretty big compared to the ones I have. I'm thinking maybe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18 to 24 inches tall and wide. And then I have this foxglove, which I need to plant now because it's hot. Maybe I'll get 2 spikes out of this one. I'll do that later. I have this Potentia, different variety, Nepalensis Melton Fire, Cinquefoil. Maybe here by the Midnight Masquerade Hibiscus. It is so hot today, it's like 90. I'll plant tomorrow. Uh-oh. Water got in. These get 18 to 24 inches tall and wide, I think. 8 to 24, so hopefully it'll fill in this spot. And all of them will create a little carpet spilling over rocks. I think that's adorable. Got these at Lowe's for 50 cents on the clearance rack. So we'll see if they make it, but they're pretty happy if you ask me. I just put that one in a hole that I dug this rock from. It was like underneath. So there's not exactly a lot of soil. But I think it needs to get deeper. Okay, so we have 2, and the third one will go here. Save the moss. Okay, so now I'm under the Carmine Jewel cherry tree, and I'm thinking maybe at the base this would look cute, right by the wall. I've tried to get thyme to grow here before, but I think it died out. Maybe there's some over there. And then thistle, but that's a weed. So I'm gonna try right here. Good. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's that one. I always try to weed the area before I plant so that I'm not replanting the weeds. I do always leave moss though, because I love the moss the most. And this needs to be mulched really badly, but I don't want to use the mulch that I got from the neighbor's tree because it's just doesn't look right for this type of flower bed. And I'll move this moss over. Planted. Okay, and the last one's going right there.
Yeah, turn on, are you loud? Too loud.
Hi. There's no water around here though. Where'd you come from? It's been a couple days and one of them is already blooming. I think that's the old one that was blooming before, but there are buds. It's mid-July and look, the Dianthus is so pretty. I'm so glad I did this. There's more coming in. I love it. Those ones have more flowers than these other two. But I think the bunny is eating this one. Super cute little pink butterflies. I'm just pinching off the dead flowers so that I get more blooms. These are all new buds. And look at all those blossoms.